saved my life. You were the and survive, baby. Thank you sa mga mumu natin. Ayan, thank you so much guys. Good morning. Hello everyone. James Field saying hello. Miss ko yung Sir Felix Fisher from USA. First, nag-give sa akin my July 4. My birthday in July 4, Independence Day in America. Sing my love. You are the dream to save my life. You are the yes. So the Di ba, piliin palaging maging masaya. Piliin no take two in life. Kaya, always happy and good vibes. You are the dream to save my life. You are the we survive, baby. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hello. Kape, hi. Cookie, kape, because my plastic, Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, everyone. Gagamitin ba tayo may klona? Sir James Field eh. You were the... Ayan, nagpapasaya lang tayo nga ni. Kape nga ni. You were the need to save my life. You were the... I love your energy. Yes. Because always positive and smile. Always smile because not positive because you so look younger. Charot. Kape. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you po. Thank you. Dahil magdadagdag na naman tayo ng 1 taon sa ating age. Kaya kailangan it's always very young and happy and always you're always this happy. Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Ang hirap talaga maging Ma'am Lynn, shout out Ma'am Lynn. Maaraw na. Thank you always. Nagligpit ka na. You are the dream to save my life. Sir Him, shout out. Thank you always, Sir Him. No, my friend. Always thank you for my early gift, my birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bako nga pala. Saan na ba yun? May ano ba kayo, anak? Wala? Practice kaya? Bakit practice? You are the sun. Mikaela, niwala pa yung aking ano eh.